we have the robot. Hello, I can help you learn about BioniChaos tool. Try asking about specific categories or tools. Go EEG. Okay. So not actually scraping, are you? Can you give an overview? No. Okay, to enhance, the version includes data scraping. Parses the HTML. Does it? Does it? Does it? I don't think it does. I don't think it does. Okay, which part of the code actually passes the HTML content? Okay, now it's getting messy. Now it's getting messy. Can you just update the code in the canvas or whatever it's called? Can you actually, for simplicity, no, that's fine. We'll keep the index HTML as is, but yeah, we'll just update the JavaScript. No, actually, we do have some JavaScript in the HTML. Can we get rid of it? And okay, can we generate from scratch the whole thing, the whole JavaScript that actually scrapes the data from the website? Yeah, I don't know. Can you make a suggestion? Do we actually need to have, say, Python code that actually generates a JSON file with all the necessary data, or are we okay to scrape the site on the fly? What do you reckon? But anyhow, just to try things out, to have something working, can you generate the entire script wrapped up in HTML? So JavaScript inside HTML and the CSS. We will split it into separate files later on. What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? We don't know. Who knows? It's generating HTML with CSS in it. CSS in it. Chat container. Chat messages. And we have the script. The script. All-in-one HTML structured data object containing website content. Okay. So we are... Okay, first of all, the website content is not complete. Basic natural language processing for responses. Move the data into separate. Happy to try it out, but okay, we have already 231 lines of code, but this is self-contained. Okay, hello, BioniChaos assistant. Hello. EEG. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Okay, well, that's mainly because the JSON data is not complete. Well, okay, it sounds like so it's not doing scraping at the moment, is it? And that's okay. Just to make sure we are not doing scraping in this file, but the data on the website is obviously not complete. So would you recommend having another Python script that will actually scrape the data into the necessary format and store it into a separate JSON file, and then the JavaScript will just parse that? What do you reckon? Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, that's not updating that code. That's okay. Maybe. Current status, we have self-contained HTML using very limited hard-coded data structure. No actual scraping. Fine. create a Python scraper first. Scrape BioniChaos. Well, we're scraping our own website, so it should be safe. It should. Our CEO is allowing us to do it. The CEO being another robot. Tools, categories, brain, neural tools, BioniChaos data, to modify the JavaScript, scraper, don't need those folders, we need static. Okay, obviously a better structure, fairly straightforward. A chatbot, moving to that folder. What else we have? Style CSS. Okay, we'll just go with that. Okay, and we have the JSON data, which is empty at the moment. But we'll have in our folder with a scraper. Okay. Don't understand why. Yeah, we see the preview, the Claude preview. Yeah, it's super limited. You can't actually do anything with it. It's kinda useless, isn't it? Not sure. What do you think? I think it's useless. I think it's very limited. There's no chat options in Claude as well. Okay, so we're going with the file and folder structure that you are suggesting. Can we generate the whole scrape BioniChaos Python script? Can you make sure it's complete? Okay, we have to chat with this thing. Okay, so we have...
Yep.
So we have the file and folder structure. We decided to have a static JSON file with all the data necessary from the BioniChaos website, but we need the instructions for another developer to generate Python script that will scrape the website quickly, or not quickly, just as long as necessary, and we'll store the data into BioniChaos data.json file that we can use.
Understood. Here are the instructions for another developer. 1. Set up the Python environment. Ensure Python and the required libraries, requests, and Beautiful Soup are installed. Use requests to fetch the HTML content of the desired page. 3. Parse HTML. Employ Beautiful Soup to parse the HTML and extract the necessary data.
Okay, so we got the... Oop. Okay, that's not good. Transcript not available. Why? Okay, now it's available. Didn't finish. Okay, can you make a complete set of instructions? Can you make complete set of instructions? That's better. What are you playing down? I'm pretty sure it's switched to a different model now. Yeah, because now if we use the chatbot, it will use an older model. Yeah, that's the that's the old chatbot model.
You want instructions for using ChatGPT across different models and features?
No. That's okay. Okay, I'll just have to go with what we've got. Yeah, sorry, this is the first day we are using Claude, so bear with me. Okay, can you generate the entire code necessary for the Python script scraping the website and storing the JSON file? The JSON file goes into a static folder in the main folder for the project. Let's see what it does. Is it like talking to a human developer? Not sure. Okay, where's the website name? Process website content, categorize tools based on keywords, structure the data into JSON file. Okay, I assume the website name is somewhere in there. It isn't. I mean, we are happy to try it out. How does it know what website to scrape? It's doing something. It's taking a bit too long. Not even sure it's doing the correct thing. Did we mention in the code the URL for the website we are scraping? Can we do more troubleshooting? Because currently it's just running. I don't see what is it actually doing. Let's add a proper URL. I don't think there was a URL before, which is not very useful, is it? I assume you can edit this? No, you can. Yeah, so this is similar to the canvas, probably just competing with one another. ChatGPT and Claude will just be implementing the same features, which is okay. Yeah, the main reason we actually moved to Claude is because ChatGPT is still down, I think. Can refresh the page. No, there's a partial outage. ChatGPT performance degradation. Yeah, there's something wrong. Something wrong.